Yes, I'm gonna sing Taja Call McDonald's song. Hope you guys like it. Way I wanna number six super size with a Sprite and large fries. Mustard ketchup only, please. But don't you forget the cheese. I got a sweet tooth, but I'm in a hurry. Can I get one big McFlurry? Give me one of them sprinkled with some mayonnaise. I'm feeling them, but baby, can you tell me, did you get that? His order, was it too fast? His order, 'cause I don't wanna have to come back, no, to the drive-through, can you hear me? Am I coming in clearly? If it's Mickey D's, then please, I'm grabbing it, ba-dum-bum-bum-ba, I'm loving it. Did you get that?